Aircraft Maintenance Program Development and Reliability Monitoring Course Overview. This 2-day professional development training program is designed to equip participants with the fundamental knowledge and skills necessary to evaluate the reliability of aircraft and aircraft items, as well as develop, implement and manage an aircraft reliability-centered maintenance program that is based on the MRB process and MSG3 analysis. It includes illustrative examples and activities to facilitate practical understanding and competence development. It is aimed at engineering technicians and graduates who are new to aircraft reliability-centered maintenance, or intermediate professionals who are involved with this function but have never received formal training. The course is structured into 7 modules. The first module, Airworthiness Fundamentals, explores the concept and principles of airworthiness and how this is linked to the role of a reliability-centered maintenance engineer. The second module, Fundamentals of Reliability Engineering, reviews the core tenets of reliability, as well as the relationship between reliability and failure. The third module, Fundamentals of Redundancy, examines the basics of redundancy and pertinent considerations in reliability engineering. The fourth module, Statistical Reliability Techniques, expounds on how statistical techniques are used for reliability analysis at aircraft level, systems level, and components level. The fifth module, Fundamentals of RCM, explores the concept and principles of reliability-centered maintenance, as well as the use of MSG3 as an RCM tool in aviation. The sixth module, Aircraft Maintenance Program, explains the process involved in the development of the initial minimum scheduled maintenance requirement of an aircraft, as well as key considerations in the compilation of an operator's maintenance program. And finally, the seventh module, Aircraft Reliability Program, unpacks the reliability monitoring process and how this is used as a means to substantiate the effectiveness of an operator's maintenance program. The course is available to complete online as an e-learning program with instructor support. Consequently, it is ideal for clients looking for self-paced and flexible training solutions, which can be accessed from anywhere and at any time. Alternatively, it is also available for virtual or in-company classroom delivery upon request. This is ideal for corporate clients looking for instructor-led training solutions to cater for the professional development needs of their organization. Please refer to the video description below for further information about the course, including a free PDF program descriptor. Thanks for listening, and we look forward to supporting your training requirements.